Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing into your Google account and navigating to Google Trends. Enter one or more seed terms right away and use +add to compare up to 5 queries. Once done, restrict the time frame and region to match your goal. This focuses results. Make sure to set search type, web, image, news, or YouTube, because each shows different intent. Also choose a category if your topic is niche. That reduces noise and surfaces the most relevant interest over time. You now refine the raw results. Switch to related queries and click Rising to harvest fresh keywords you hadn't considered. Once you find candidates, compare them side by side and extend or narrow the time range to reveal seasonal patterns or sudden spikes. Make sure to change location granularity from country down to region or city when local insight matters. When ready, export the CSV to preserve numbers. That lets you cross-check with analytics or feed keywords into other tools for You finish by turning trend insights into action. Map high-interest terms to content topics, add copy, or keyword lists. Once implemented, monitor the same queries regularly, weekly for fast niches, monthly for long-term planning so you catch shifts early. If the graph is flat or data sparse, make sure to broaden the search term, expand the time frame, or switch categories. That usually reveals signal. If results still look wrong, clear filters, sign out /in, and reload to rule out caching or account issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.